Goel and I am from class 6B. Today I am going to conduct a science experiment which will show you about how things are insoluble and soluble in water. We all see things around us. Some things are soluble while others are insoluble. Some examples of soluble things are salt, sugar, etc. While examples of insoluble things are sand, paper, etc. So now I will show you that things are soluble and insoluble in water. So let's start. Firstly, I put water in a glass. Firstly, I will mix salt in it. So see, salt is soluble in water, hence we can say that salt is soluble in water. Now I take sugar. You can see that sugar is also soluble in water. Now I will take honey. You can see that honey is also soluble in water. Now I will take some oil. See, oil is not soluble in water as oil forms a separate layer on water. So, oil is not soluble in water. Now, I will take the last